The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lakewood County in northern Utah, southeastern Boggs Elder County in northern Utah, northern Davis County in northern Utah, northwestern Morgan County in northern Utah, until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Great Salt Lake, south of the Causeway, or 19 miles west of the Air Force Base, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ogden, Layton, Brigham City, Hill Air Force Base, Roy, Clearfield, Syracuse, Clinton, North Ogden, South Ogden, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Cooper, South Weber, Cary, Willard, Marriott Slaterville, Uinta, Weber State University, and South Willard. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 331 and 362. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 92. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Boggs Elder, Davis, and Weber.
Who was shot also called for the violence to stop. Is that message